How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another airdrop farming video. This one is for Monad. Now, a few days ago, as in on October 14th, Monad finally dropped their airdrop claim portal, but they didn't even really include their community. They included another community, which I believe was Pump Funds community, and like a few other communities, and then they only airdropped like 5,000 of their community members. Yeah, right here. Click on this. This airdrop allocates tokens to 5,500 members of the Monad community. If I come back here and we scroll to the top, they have 1.2 million followers. That means they literally airdropped 0.5% of their community. Or just under 0.5%, I would say, because 0.5% of 1.2 million is, 6,000, which is just terrible. And then they also airdropped 225,000 other members of a wider crypto community. They completely fucked over their community, like 100%. I'll come on over to the claim portal, click sign in, continue, signing on my good address. This one also has the 1 Million Nads NFT, and oh wow, not eligible. I'll do the same thing on my second address that has, a lot of Monad and has done amazing. Click sign in, MetaMask, continue, confirm. Oh wow, what do you know? Not eligible. And then I'll do it on my third address, which, 140 Monad right now. I've done probably, 11,000 plus Monad in volume, 1,300 transactions on this. We'll sign in, connect, confirm. And again, not eligible. Wow, what do you know? On my three amazing addresses, they completely fucked me over. Completely. Just completely. But you know who didn't? Madness. If you used Madness and you got a 1 Million Nads NFT, which Monad literally posted a while ago, I could probably find. Here we go. I found it. So these are some of their posts. Last day to be an early Monad user of the testnet. Community is everything. Closing in on 1 million followers. To celebrate this milestone, early followers will get a commemorative soulbound NFT. Drop your Monad address below within the next 24 hours to receive your soulbound NFT. Well, it didn't mean shit. It did not mean shit. But you know who didn't fuck over the community? Madness. They actually just dropped their airdrop checker today. And you know what's part of the criteria? Guess. The 1 Million Nads NFT. I'll have the link for these down in the description below, but you know what's amazing? Watch. We go to connect wallet, MetaMask. Get ready. Check eligibility. Boom, boom, boom. Madness did not fuck me over here. You know what's even better? On my second address with, a lot of Monad, if I connect my wallet, click check eligibility, boom, boom. I don't have that, 1 Million Nads NFT on this one, but I'm eligible on this one as well. And then if I come over to my third wallet, with a lot of Monad on it, they all have a lot of Monad in all three, but, this one actually just kind of showing it at the moment. If I come on over to Madness as well, click connect wallet, MetaMask, and then check eligibility, boom, boom. 3 out of 3 of my big ass wallets, I have 115 wallets, are eligible for the Madness airdrop, which is to be announced. But for the Monad airdrop, none of my 115 addresses were eligible. I had 115. I did over, I think it was like 27,000 to 30,000 transactions across all of them. My 3 big addresses were not eligible for the Monad claim, but for Madness, we are. And all we can hope now is that it's going to be a big claim. We got 2 out of 3, we got 2 out of 4, 2 out of 4, and then 3 out of 4. Let's hope there's some big money behind this. I'll have a link for all these down in the description below for the X accounts and for the portal claims, in case you were farming Monad and you might actually be eligible for the Monad claim itself, or if they fucked you over and you used Madness and you have the 1 Million Nads NFT, and you might even be holding the Madness pass. You might even meet these top 2 ones. If you were in the top 50,000 for XP points or the top 10,000 for Madness points, you could be eligible. We just don't know how much the claim is going to be, what it's going to be worth, or when. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Keep farming.
Shit tokens at gmail.com. If you got the winning ticket, then come and get you some. We just tryna have some fun.